Kapuso primetime Princess Barbie Forteza reacted to their performance of her love team partner actor David Licauco in the movie Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan. Barbie and David's on-screen partnership came as a surprise. No one anticipated their remarkable on-screen chemistry in the series Maria Clara at Ibarra. Their tandem easily got new fans. From that, they were given more projects. However, GMA also gave them individual projects which showed more of their versatility. David Licauco's movie recently had a special screening. It is set to be released in cinemas nationwide on April 19. The movie was directed by Benedict Mick, and he co-wrote this with Aya Asuncion. In an interview after the screening, based on the article in GMA Entertainment, Barbie Forteza praised her on-screen partner for his superb performance in the movie. Ang galing-galing naman ni Reverend Sam. Ang galing-galing, good job. The actress shared. In the movie, David played the character of a priest. The actress also had this comment about the movie, ay grabe. Life-changing, eye-opening, breathtaking. Then, Barbie shared what she noticed about David. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, bagay sa kanya pag laging nakangiti. Napansin ko buong pelikula lagi lang siyang nakangiti, the actress shared. Meanwhile, in an interview a few days ago, David Licauco was asked if he had already started courting Barbie Forteza since they are both single now. The actor admitted that he cares about Barbie a lot, but he wanted to give her time since her breakup with Jack Roberto happened not so long ago. Fans have been expressive of the kilig they spread online. Another round of kilig comments were shared on social media when Barbie said in an interview that she also cares a lot about the actor.